Oh my goodness, guys, I found something amazing that I need to share with you today. Look at this. I will let you know what this is. I'm obsessed because I don't like going to the nail salon. I really don't. But this is definitely the look I like. Alright guys, like I promised, I was going to share with you about my nails because this is something new that I tried that I absolutely love. I don't like going to the nail salon. I don't like ruining my nails. I like them short but cute. So I finally found a gel manicure kit that works. It's not complicated, it's not time consuming, it is easy, and it's affordable. So this is the color I chose. And I'm going to show you what the kit looks like in a moment. But all you literally have to do is brush a coat, put it under the little bitty light, brush a second coat, put it under again, and voila. That's simple, and it's so gorgeous. I got to show you the kit, how it works. This kit originally sells at Target for about $34, $35, something like that. But you can find it at Marshall's for $24, a little discounted. And it comes with the whole kit, super easy. Let me show you how it works. This is what the kit comes with. And here's the cute little light. And all you literally have to do is connect it to the end of a USB. And I'll show you. So you could do however many layers you desire. I just did 2. That's all I felt like I needed. And then you do when you do one layer, you literally just press this button and leave your finger in there for 30 seconds. And after the 30 seconds pass, it'll turn off, and that means take your finger out and you can do the next coat and repeat the same thing another 30 seconds in the light. Beautiful gel look that you get at the nail salon, but a lot easier, less complicated than the ones I've seen before, and nice price. And then they have tons of amazing colors, so you know I'll be collecting these little by little. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag them here so you can check them out and see if this is something that fits your needs. It definitely did for me, and I thought you might want to know about it, so here you go.